Welcome to today's video. Here's a simple English conversation between two friends with 50 questions and answers. Let's begin.
Hey Rohan, how was your morning?
It was great. I went for a walk. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, toast and eggs.
Did you sleep well?
Not really, I slept late. What were you doing late at night?
Reading a mystery book. Are you free this weekend?
Mostly yes. Why? Want to watch a movie together?
Sure. Which one? Have you seen the new sci-fi film?
Not yet. Should we watch it?
Absolutely. What time suits you?
Evening is perfect. Popcorn or nachos?
Popcorn always. Still working on your project?
Yes, almost done. When is your deadline?
Next Friday. Can you help me a little?
Of course. Did you talk to Sarah today?
Yes, just a quick chat. How is she?
Busy but fine. Had lunch yet?
Not yet. Want to order together?
Sure. What do you feel like eating?
Pizza maybe. Thin crust or thick?
Thin crust, extra cheese.
Any meetings today?
Just one. Working from home?
Yes. Did you clean your room?
Finally, yes. What music are you listening to?
Indie rock. Want my playlist?
Yes, send it. Still learning guitar?
Yes. Practicing daily. How's your painting going?
I finished one yesterday. Want to see it?
Yes, show me. Free for a call tonight.
After 9 p.m., yes. Need help with your exam?
With math, yes. Can you explain algebra again?
Sure. Did you watch yesterday's match?
Yes, it was awesome. Which team were you supporting?
Same as you. Jogging tomorrow?
Yes, morning. Can you wake up early?
I'll try. Meet at the usual park?
Yes, perfect. Did you charge your headphones?
Not yet. Still watching that series?
Yes, season 3 now. Should I start watching it?
Definitely. Planned your trip?
Not fully. Want to join me?
Maybe. When? How's the weather there?
Very nice. Saving money for anything?
A new laptop. Want my suggestion?
Yes, please. Should I upgrade my phone?
Yes, if it keeps freezing. What game are you playing?
A racing game. Do you play games?
Mostly puzzles. Want to try a multiplayer game?
Great idea. Free tomorrow evening?
Yes, let's play. Any plans for today?
Just relaxing and talking to you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this simple English conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.